Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Il y aura un bonus à la fin du mois. There will be a bonus at the end of the month. Ah, this would be so nice. So sad it's not true. Yeah, if your boss tells you this, il y aura un bonus à la fin du mois. Then you get extra money, isn't it nice? If I had the bonus, I would not come to work anymore and go traveling somewhere. Le budget est illimité. The budget is unlimited. This also sounds nice. Like if you put me in a store with le budget est illimité. I would buy lots of food. And drinks too. Allons au restaurant avec un budget illimité. Let's go to the restaurant with an unlimited budget. Prenez une pause. Je vais faire le ménage aujourd'hui. Take a break. I do the cleaning today. So this is also the polite version. So if you want to talk more casually, is prends une pause. Je vais faire le ménage aujourd'hui. Prends une pause. I'm doing the dishes and the cleaning, everything. Just sit down and enjoy. This would be nice. Yeah, this is also something I want to hear. Et vous gagnez. And you win. Et vous gagnez. And you win. Yeah. What do I win? Et vous gagnez un voyage en Amérique. And you win a trip to the USA. Ooh, ooh. From East Coast to West Coast, starting with New York and going to Chicago and maybe visit some friends in the South and then go all the way to California and then be Las Vegas, back to California and from California, take a plane ticket to Japan. Tu me manques. I miss you. Oh, tu m'as manqué. I missed you. I know you reunite and you are fluffy together. Vous avez fait un excellent travail. You did a great job. Hey, great job today, Leah. Thank you. So, if you manage to learn all those French sentences, vous avez fait un excellent travail. Vous aviez raison. You were right.
I told you so.
If someone recognizes that you were right and tell you so, that's nice. Vous êtes un excellent cuisinier. You're an excellent cook. Tu es un excellent cuisinier. This is one I often get. So do you get this comment? Vous êtes un excellent cuisinier. If so, what did you cook to get that comment? Leave it in the comment. Tu es jolie. You're pretty. Oh, you look so pretty today. Ah, tu as l'air très jolie aujourd'hui. Only today? Je vous ai apporté quelque chose de spécial. I brought you something special. What could be quelque chose de spécial? I would like to be given a kitten. You're cute. Ce n'est pas toi, c'est moi. It's not you, it's me. Ce n'est pas toi, c'est moi. It's not you, it's me. Usually I'm the one saying that and I'm saying it's not me, it's you. And yes, I mean it this way. Désolé, j'avais oublié. Sorry, I forgot. Désolé, j'avais oublié. Sorry, I forgot. Punch him in the face. When you are phoning someone, you're like, hey, where are you? Ah, désolé, j'avais oublié. Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Whoopsie.
Il faut qu'on parle. We need to talk. Il faut qu'on parle. We need to talk. This one is scary. You really don't want to hear that. What did I do again? Don't worry about it too much. There was this famous French commercial who goes, Il faut qu'on parle. We need to talk. My body is growing. Like, mon corps est en pleine croissance. It was an advertising for water for children because they need to drink more water. And the kids were like, Il faut qu'on parle. Je n'ai pas tes sous aujourd'hui. I don't have your money today. Je n'ai pas tes sous aujourd'hui. I don't have your money today. Dude! If I lend you money, I expect it back. Je te l'avais dit. I told you so. Je te l'avais dit. I told you so. This is a sentence I like saying, but I don't like hearing it if it's for me. I told you so. I know, it's okay. Merci pour votre CV. Cependant, le poste a été pourvu. Thank you for your resume. However, the position has been filled. Merci pour votre CV. Cependant, le poste a été pourvu. Thank you for your resume. However, the position has been filled. So yeah, sorry you've been rejected. Happens. Nous devrions voir d'autres personnes. We should see other people. Nous devrions voir d'autres personnes. We should see other people. Come on, you got eyes. You see other people all around you. We don't need that. Do we? Do we? So does it mean it's over? Tu as pris du poids récemment? Have you gained weight recently? Tu as pris du poids récemment? Have you gained weight recently? Mean! I work out every day, but if I hear this, I work out more. Tu as un cheveu blanc. You have a gray hair. Tu as un cheveu blanc. You have a gray hair. Gray is gris and cheveux blanc is actually white hair. It hurts the same. Yeah, I'm getting older. I see a gray hair, I'm like, pluck. So no one will ever tell me this. So sad. Vous êtes renvoyé. You're fired. Vous êtes renvoyé. You are fired. Yeah, I guess if you don't have another job or other ideas to work on, this can be a bummer. And then you go back to the sentence, I'm sorry, the position has been filled. C'est trop dur, n'essayez même pas. It's too hard, don't even try. That's mean. Let people do their own mistakes. That's the way they learn. Faites ce que je dis. Just do what I say. Faites ce que je dis. Just do what I say. That's really... J'ai raison et vous avez tort. I'm right and you're wrong. Oh my. This is something you don't want to hear and this is something you don't want to say. Don't learn it. Je n'ai pas besoin de vos conseils. I don't need your advice. Yeah, no. Listen to your elders. Je n'ai plus besoin d'apprendre quoi que ce soit. I don't need to learn anything anymore. My story started in the 12th century. Tout le monde a toujours besoin d'apprendre. Everyone needs to always learn. Je sais tout. I know everything. Je sais tout. I know everything. Non, vous ne savez pas tout. No one knows everything. But everyone knows a bit of something. Nous ne pouvons pas faire cela. We can't do that. Yes, we can. Can't you because you're not able to or because it's forbidden? No one is telling me what I can or can't do. Vous n'êtes pas très intelligent. You're not very smart. This is something I also don't want to hear. Don't say that to people. It's mean. Unless you are watching this video to learn how to be mean in French because French people are annoying you. Ooh. Vous ne réussirez jamais. You will never succeed. What's with all the mean sentences today? Yes, you will. You just have to go for it and try it again and again and again. I know it's exhausting sometimes, but try it anyway. Je ne suis pas prêt à apprendre le français. I'm not ready to learn French. Yes, you are. That's what you are here. I'm sure you do. You're even ready to speak it, you know. So try on your own. It's possible. You are ready to learn French. Vous êtes prêt à apprendre le français. Go for it, watchers. The end. We are safe for this week. So if you survive all the horrible things we told you today, then continue doing your best. Learning French, you can do it. So don't forget to subscribe to learn even more. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye. T-Rex.
My hands are too short.